Let's review the components of the workload report and how it helps you to see a general overview of what's happening in your workspace. Starting with the key metrics section, you'll see up to 3 key metrics cards that provide a quick snapshot of your support workload. These cards can help you understand your team's performance at a glance. At the top right of this section, there's a drop-down menu. From here, you can select which metrics you want to display from the list. Each card shows the name of the metric, the current measurement, and the variation compared to the previous period of the same length. For example, the +7 indicates that there were 7 more new conversations this week than last week, which is a 350% increase in comparison to last week. You can also click on each card to dive deeper into the metric's details and view a list of conversations included in that metric. This is a great way to understand the factors influencing your team's performance in real time. Next, let's take a look at the workload over time graph in your analytics dashboard. This graph helps you spot volume peaks or efficiency drops so you can adjust staffing and ensure your team is equipped to handle the workload. To customize what you're viewing, use the metrics dropdown at the top right of this section to select which metrics to display. There's also a compare dropdown at the top right, where you can choose how to compare your data. Select Compare to Previous Period to show values from the last period, or choose Group by Inbox to display the values for the top 5 inboxes in your report. This option helps you drill down to find outliers, trends, and compare workload across different inboxes. As you hover over points on the line graph, you'll see metric values for each time increment, and if you click on a specific point, you can view detailed information and a list of the conversations that contribute to that metric. This section provides powerful insights to help you optimize your team's efficiency and manage workloads effectively. Next up is the busiest times heat map in your analytics dashboard. This heat map is a great tool for identifying when your team experiences the highest workload throughout the week, allowing you to manage shifts more effectively. At the top right of this section, you'll find a metrics dropdown. Here, you can select which metric you want to display, giving you flexibility to focus on what matters most. There's also a color legend in the bottom left corner here, showing you the range for the metric, with the darkest areas indicating the busiest times. You can click on any metric to see detailed information and a list of the conversations contributing to that metric. This helps you dive deeper into the specifics behind your busiest times, making it easier to plan and adjust your team's workflow. The next section we'll cover is the efficiency chart in your analytics dashboard. This chart is designed to help you investigate both the most and least efficient conversations, so you can spot areas for improvement and optimize your team's performance. To customize this chart, use the metrics dropdown at the top right of this section. This allows you to select which efficiency metrics you want to display. Once you've chosen a metric, you can click on any metric interval within the chart to view detailed information, including a list of conversations that contribute to that metric. This deeper insight helps you identify specific areas where efficiency can be improved. The last section we'll review is the workload by inbox table here. This table helps you compare volume metrics across different inboxes, making it easy to spot outliers and identify trends. For deeper insights, you can click on any metric in the table to view detailed information and a list of conversations that contribute to that metric. This helps you to quickly identify areas that may need attention and take action.